Sige.
Hello, I'm gonna show you how to build a Lego car. Start with the black piece. For the wheel. There. Stick that up. Right there. Now, one goes here, the other one goes here. There. Then stick that right here so we can move. Now, let's stick this for 2x2 leg white yellow Lego piece. The other one goes aside of it here. 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 This red is the back of the car. And this one will be the front of the car. Okay. Now we need one Lego block piece. Take that here, there, and the windshield. 2 of them. It has to be here. Right there. The other one. This one white Lego piece, take that here. The other one goes right here. There. And now for the black piece, stick that here. This one goes here. Now let's the roof. This will be the driver of the car. Here, stick that here. There. Now this yellow, white, yellow Lego piece, 2. Need 2 of them. Stick the car. Stick it here. The other one goes here. There. Now for the roof, this green Lego piece, 2x2 green piece, stick that on the black piece. And here. There. And this one goes here. Now this black piece will be the front of the car. Stick that here. There. Now here. goes. The yellow goes right here. There. Now, the yellow 2x2 yellow piece smooth. Stick that on the middle. There. Now, the yellow piece, white piece goes here. There. Now the Lego car is complete. Thanks for watching and bye.